All right, now let's chill for that, bro.
Jason takes a snap. Luke. Pass. Wasim.
Brian Wasim.
What? Wow.
Brought down.
Wow. Brian Wasim catch. I don't know what down it is.
Tom Brady.
Perhead shakes a snap. He's looking, fires. Caught
one-handed. Hangs on. That's a touchdown, folks.
Jared Ross. Wow. What a catch.
Estimate that it's a play on offense.
Oh, QB keep.
Ooh.
QB keep.
Can Jason screen this in?
And he's in.
He holds on all the way through. 8-0. But in the HFL.
Derek just doesn't know how to snap the ball. Oh my God,
Derek has a catch. What's he gonna do? Oh, he goes down.
Oh no. It's a run play. Who's got him? Who's getting him?
There's that another one. Caught by Shane Steinberg. Brought down.
Oh my God. Yeah, throw to Derek.
Jacob trying to get as much pressure as he can. He's almost getting there. Is he gonna fumble? Dara steps on it. Tackle for loss, at least from Jacob, getting corralled by Brian Wasim there. That play was busted on defense.
Max Rivera.
Not even a question.
Is in for the touchdown.
That one's dropped by Brian Wasim.
The Red House.
Oh.
Perhaps drops the throw.
Dart there from Jason getting it to Trent.
Trying to tackle Perhaps. Oh, Shane is trying to tackle.
Gets carried by no fewer than 3 men. Trent doing some dog work on the field over there. Love the content. Jason fumbles the snap. Luke is getting to him. Doesn't get it enough, though.
Wow.
Oh! What a breakup.
Daly.
The Wild Wolves are interested in taking up his contract.
Oh, no, hear the shot.
Here you go, snap. Shane getting the direct. Oh, he just made an embarrassment out of Jacob. He's going down. He's going downfield. Is anyone going to get there? I don't think so, folks. That's a touchdown. The Ice Dragons are now leading the game. No. Quick snap there. Jason's not really even getting rushed right now. There's the catch. Evades one tackle. Jared evades Shane's tackle as well. He's off to the races. This is unbelievable. Finally gets brought down. Jason. Tim looks like he's lining up at running back. Primarily uses a blocker to help some defense on Luke Zorn.
And the pass is caught.
Trent, what a catch after the deflection.
Wow.
Filming our quads.
No. Low snap, but snap nonetheless. Another dong.
TD.
Andreas with the touchdown right there.
All right, Derek has to come off.
Derek, oh, here we go. Direct snap.
And it's a direct snap to Sean Ring. Wow.
Making one man miss.
Wow. Andreas trying to get him. Wow.
It doesn't matter. Direct. One play, one touchdown. 8 energy. Screen pass. Max getting the end around. Shane setting a block, not successfully. All right, solid play.
Go. Oh my God, there's no way.
Is that a touchdown, Luke?
Yeah, that was a touchdown.
God damn.
God, pause the clock now. God, the head cheats.
Hand off to Shane. He gets stopped, thwarted immediately in his tracks Jason right there making a huge stand. His first great play of the game. Third down.
Perhaps drops the throw. Looks.
No pressure right now.
Looks.
There we go. Luke Zorn.
Pulls out. Fires. Throw for Trent.
Trent one-handed catch. Bullies his way through two people. Is he going to go all the way again?
He's going to.
No, this time he gets stopped. A little bit gassed, but now he's back. There he goes.
Two-snap. Perhaps looks. A dart with the pressure.
Turn back left.
Rolling out. Fires back to the end zone. And it's a touchdown.
I don't think that was out of bounds. I think he's good, right?
Yeah.
He just caught a touchdown? That's pretty insane. Trent carrying his team on offense. Jason didn't use his run earlier. He takes this one easily. Folks, that was like Frank Gore running through a Pop Warner field. We're bringing in live with us in the broadcast booth. We got Luke Zorn as well as Jacob, who just had some insane center work, if I do say so.
Hey, I do my best. I do my best.
I don't know if I should be sitting down for it. Just shut up, Brian.
Oh my God.
Oh,
That's a swift move picked up.
that was a swift move. He gets held back on defense there, but this isn't the main football field.
No, it's that one.
Yeah.
Imagine if this was the main football field, that would be something.
Dude, what the hell? What a throw.
Shane, don't fall! Fall, damn it! Ah, fuck. Oh. Jason!
He's not in, is he?
No, he's not in. Well,
Does anyone have any work later?
Well, Andreas is leaving at 5. Oh, Jesus.
No.
There we go. Good.
Touchdown.
It's already 4.
Jacob,
What you doing for your
Yeah.
Oh, God.
performance?
Honestly, I kind of
What
like
was that?
blacked out after a certain point. I remember like nothing.
No, dude,
I don't remember falling down.
tried to reach
for that. Good shit, Darren. We should invest in some equipment. Sean, what's going on with Atlas, by the way?
Watch Mike! Watch Mike! Andreas, watch Mike!
Wait, who's laying on the ground?
Jack,
That's the.
Out of bounds.
Yeah, I think Jason, why is there a guy on the ground?
Nice! Incomplete!
No, he didn't get feet down.
He didn't get feet down. Ball! Yeah!
Welcome back to this presentation of HFL Week 7. Right now, coming back from halftime, Wild Wolves starting on defense, Ice Dragons starting on offense. Shane has been injured. We're not really sure about what he's going to do.
I don't really
What is wrong with your nostril, bro?
I only breathe out of one. I'm being so dead ass.
Who hurt you as a child?
Shit.
Ball to Max really quickly. Look at this.
He said, you're not.
One play, one touchdown again.
He said, you're not catching
Shane.
me.
He said, you're not catching me. You can't even
How
try.
about your gloves?
Whatever Brian just said is wrong.
I think they're going for one. They can't.
They can't.
Get him. Fuck.
Push him in.
Where are we going?
Derek.
5'10".
Get that. Adjust. Beat his ass.
Derek, this is gonna be one hell of a highlight reel.
No, for sure.
That's what I was saying before. Like, what's going on? The problem is the speed. Okay.
Derek Chung. Oh.
Oh,
Wait.
What happened? Wait.
What?
Oh, bear hug. Oh, okay.
Oh.
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 So it's like, I didn't even think I was going to be able to play.
What draft?
Yeah, yeah.
There's no
Somebody said
draft.
there's going to be a draft.
There's no draft.
What draft? You mean this draft?
I just know this
Derek said he was willing to trade. We get Max and you guys get Huddy Guddy.
Who's Huddy?
Jacob.
Oh. That guy in the black?
Go, Sean!
Wow.
Wait a second, that's not him.
Oh.
That's him.
Oh, that's it. That's it. Yeah.
That's Sean.
Yeah, see, like this way and they stop.
Yeah.
So.
What? Max!
Oh, okay, yeah.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
Come on, Dara.
Yeah!
Oh.
No.
Fuck.
In the work.
Finally woke up.
Wow.
I don't want to give you one. I feel bad.
I'm getting better. My hands aren't tingling as much
If possible, can I have one?
Third down.
I would vlog it.
Did you watch the video back?
Yeah, I watched the video, but obviously I don't.
You get blind, like, we basically blindsided you.
Damn it! Shit.
Oh no.
Oh, okay.
Where's Sean?
All right.
Oh.
Okay, they blew that up.
Are we doing 2 minutes?
Yes.
How much left in the? What is this?
2:55.
In what?
In the fourth quarter.
I have a stupid idea.
Oh, go!
Go! Go!
Dara, push him out! Oh man, they actually succeeded in the run game. Andres, just bear hug him. Go!
Sean.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
No, that's not. No.
Yeah, but I don't like the gym over there. I like Planet Fitness way more. I used to like shit on it.
Yeah,
Go every day?
No, I stopped for like, I'd say I'm like on a 2-week hiatus.
Oh,
Really?
I need to go back. I'm getting a little fat.
What are you going for?
Accounting.
Nice.
Yeah.
You know what Trey's going for that?
Really?
Yeah.
You know where?
I don't know if he even decided to play.
No way.
But he's
2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6
oh,
7 Mississippi.
I need to turn over.
Okay, so 7 seconds.
Okay. I don't think they're gonna score.
Oh, definitely not.
Please don't say that.
no, say that.
Please don't say that.
Hey, listen, I'm on their team and I have no faith in them.
Oh, yo.
I just need everybody locked down. Oh!
Okay.
Yeah!
All right. Andres, run it. Just run it. Finish it. Finish it.
Now I don't look stupid for saying I have no faith in them. This is why. This is why I have no faith in my team.
Okay.
What happened, boys?
Well played. Well played.
That was great.
Thorough.
All right, Derek. Well played. Well played.